In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping on WooCommerce in about 5 minutes. With more people shopping online than ever before, it's essential that your WooCommerce site is set up to efficiently handle shipping. Adding shipping zones and rates can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your command center for your website, where you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your site effectively. Once you're there, you're on the right track. Next up, look for WooCommerce on the menu. It's usually on the left-hand side. WooCommerce is your go-to for everything related to your online store, from managing products to analyzing sales reports. You'll find that it's incredibly versatile and powerful for running your e-commerce operation. After clicking on WooCommerce, go ahead and click on Settings. This area allows you to customize your store to your liking, including payments, accounts, emails, and, you guessed it, shipping. This is where the shipping magic starts. Once in the settings, navigate to the Shipping tab. This tab is dedicated purely to configuring how your products will make their way to your customers. It's here that you can add shipping zones, methods, and rates, ensuring that your shipping setup aligns with your business's needs. Now it's time to add a shipping zone. Click on Add Shipping Zone. Shipping zones are geographical areas where you offer shipping. You can define them however you like, by country, state, or even postcode. This is an incredibly flexible system that allows you to tailor your shipping fees and methods to where your customers are located. When setting up a shipping zone, the first thing you'll do is give it a name. This is for your reference, so make it something that easily identifies the zone for you. Then you'll select the regions that fall within this zone. WooCommerce allows you to be as broad or as specific as you need. Whether it's a whole country or just specific cities, you've got control. After defining your zone, it's time to add shipping methods. This could be flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup, whatever works best for your store. Each shipping method can be configured individually, so you can set different rates and options depending on the zone. For example, you might offer free shipping within your country, but set a flat rate for international shipments. Or maybe local pickup is available for nearby customers. The choices you make here can have a big influence on your customers' purchasing decisions. So it's worth spending some time to get this right. Remember, the goal here is to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers, while also ensuring that shipping remains manageable and cost effective for your business. It might take a bit of tweaking to find the perfect balance, but once you do, it can significantly boost your store's efficiency and customer satisfaction. A couple of pro tips as we wrap up. Always keep an eye on your shipping carriers' rates and policies, as these can change and might affect your costs and delivery times. Also, don't forget to test your shipping setup before going live. You want to ensure that everything works smoothly from a customer's perspective. And there you have it, how to add shipping on WooCommerce in just a few easy steps. With shipping set up correctly, you're one step closer to ensuring that your customers have a great shopping experience, which is key to building a successful online store. Thanks for watching and happy shipping.